Slightly later start today. We're heading up to the fortress at Ohrid. And of course it's on the top of a hill. Where else would it be? Lots of steps. And more steps. And a cat. Little cat. Still walking, but now we can clearly see where we're going up there. Look at that. Love their flag. There you can see our jetty down there at the lakefront where we started. So if you do decide to walk up here like us, be prepared for it to be hot and steep. But well worth it. You can always take a taxi, I guess. 9 o'clock and we're open for business. It's 150 dinar per person to come in here, which is about $4.50 New Zealand, and I don't know, about $1.50 euro. Oh, there's a tower you can go up there too.
I think they've got the rail.
Yeah, you can go up that tower maybe at the end.
Oh, right, cool.
So it's not massive, but certainly pretty cool. It's a lot cheaper than walking around the walls at Dubrovnik. So there's the beach that we could see yesterday at the end of our walk where we turned around. So the church at the bottom of the hill was probably straight down there somewhere. Oh, it might go down there further.
Yeah, there's more over there.
Yeah, so we've probably come the short way. We need to go back that way and along. Okay. Right, we're going to go up into the tower now, up there. This is where I hope that their health and safety is up to scratch.
What?
It's a wooden floor. No, it doesn't feel very solid.
Those steps were nearly as tall as me.
I know, they're big steps. Where we were before. Okay, we're on the other side now. Very few people up here first thing in the morning. Well, the city's quite big out the back there. The bit that we haven't seen. So not far below the fortress is this St. Clement's monastery. Monastery? Yeah. So we're really splashing out on the attractions today. This one's 150 dinar as well, so really good value to have a look around. Beautiful building. Right at the back there in the middle of the screen now you can see the fortress that we're at. So you're not allowed to film or take pictures inside, but it is stunning. Really colourful religious drawings, obviously, and an excavated bit where you can see down below the ground level. Very beautiful. As is the outside. Well worth the visit. This is called the Ancient Macedonian Amphitheatre. I don't know how ancient, but I'll let you know. We'll just continue our walk back down the hill from the fortress and the monastery. So according to the sign I just read, this was built around the 2nd or 3rd century, I think BC. And then it talks about the fact that when the Romans conquered this area in about 148 BC, and I'll have to check that, it could be AD, that they used it for gladiatorial type events. Could kind of believe that.